I hope this video helps. Please check out my playlist, Evidence for Christianity, Evidence for the Bible, End Times, and the Book of Revelation. I'll leave links in the description for all four. Enjoy.
Got a broken sprinkler drip line. Was hit by the edger and split it open. Let's see if we can patch it up. So I cut the bad chunk out and then covered it with the plastic bags and rubber bands to hold it on, just so we don't get any dirt and debris inside the tubes. So I just used these tin snips right here to cut them. I cut them just like scissors, real easy. So just get your fingers out of the way. See that? Works perfect. So my friend, who also has a YouTube channel called Legendary DIY, had some half-inch drip irrigation tubing that he gave me to make this repair. You got the barb fittings to go on each end, and then here's the tubing. And when you do this, you want to make sure that you're not going to be shoving the barb end into one of the emitters. So there's an emitter hole, and here's the one that I cut out of this section, and you'll see right there that it's got that raised part for where it spits out the water, and you don't want to be shoving that barb fitting into an emitter. So you want to make sure it's got enough room. So I could use this section right here, and then just make sure that I'm going to be far enough away from the emitter that it won't that the barb fitting won't be hitting it. So I'll cut a chunk off here long enough to fit that piece, and then I'll shove the barb fittings into it. Then I'll shove the section that I made into the cutout part in the yard. Alright, so I got one end with the barb fitting in. It goes right up to the edge of the emitter. And then one thing I noticed is this line bends very easy. It kinks up, so just kind of support it as much as you can when you're shoving that barb fitting down in there. So it's a tight fit, and it's just a slow pushing wiggle process. There we go. Oh yeah, and it kinked up there when I was pushing. Just got to hold it kind of close to where the action is and push. Alright, so there's my section. There's your drip irrigation emitter, and you want it facing up. So when you're placing this back in the hole, just be mindful that this will kink up easy. So try not to bend it and kink it. Alright, the sprinkler is currently running. I don't see anything spraying out. There's our drip and our patch job. The patch job, I don't see any leaks, but the drip is working, so we did our job. I want to give a shout out to the Legendary DIY channel for giving me the material needed to make this repair. And if you want to find his channel, I'll leave the link in the description. And his channel is similar to mine, where he's doing DIY repairs, and also it's mostly focused around plumbing. So if you have any of those questions or need any answers, go to his channel. I'll leave the link in the description.
If you have any questions, just leave a comment and I'll get back to you. If you want to connect with me, I have a public group called Share Your Trade on MeWe. I'll leave that link in the description. Thanks for watching.